Masha in the Bear Restaurant. My name is Susu. Can you please tell your name? What's your name? Hari. Hari? Hari Tamim. Timo. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the Masha in the Bear. What's your name? What's your name?
Zenia.
Zenia. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the Masha in the Bear. What's your name? Hana. Zenia. Timo. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the Masha in the Bear Restaurant. Now, before we start, we have a very important hero in the Masha in the Bear Restaurant. We're going to raise our both hands and we say louder, we love Masha Pie. Can we do that? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Raise our both hands and we say together we love Masha Pie. Okay. Masha Pie. Masha Pie. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We love Masha Pie. Okay, one more time. We need energy. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We love Masha Pie. Okay. Now we do Masha Pie, okay? You know already Masha Pie. What we need to do is we have eating this. This is our first minute, okay? This is for you. For you. Now, we're going to start. Open it. Take out the paper. Open Now, get your knife. I will show you. I will put the line first and just follow the line. Okay? Cut the okay? Follow the line. Follow the line. Just cut. Good job, you did. Okay. Now this one and this one on the okay. Put the one piece here. Put the one piece here, and the one piece we need to keep aside later. Okay. Now press it. Try to move.